Salut, je m'appelle Edima, je ne parle français, je parle anglais. Yes, I crashed out of my French classes. Okay, so quick cool story. I had to choose between French and IELTS. So, yes, that's how the story is. I had to decide between those two things. And sadly, I'm a French student dropout from Institut Francais. Sadly, I need to be extra committed. But hey, this conversation is not about whether or not I speak French, but it's about my trip to Lille. Have you seen this tired face? First off, let me just apologize. My voice is a bit croaky and I have no idea why. But you see that tired face? I was awake from 4:20 a.m. trying to prepare to get to the train station, take the first train out, and then head to the airport. Let's just say I had an extremely long day. And then, immigration, passport control. Oh my goodness. That's just a different thing. That's gonna be a different vlog on its own. But that tired face, I cannot forget it. Oh, one more thing about me is I love window seats. If you book any trip for me, whether it's aeroplane, whether it's train, just ensure it's window seat. If not, two of us will enter one leg of trouser. But I just really love window seats. And of course, I got to the hotel. I settled in, and the view was amazing. I love views. In fact, I'm looking for the word to qualify my love for views. It's maybe I would do a whole collection and talk about my love for views. But you're going to see it as this video progresses. You're gonna be seeing fine picture, left, right, center, fine building. You just be looking, you just be like, wow. You're just gonna be sounding like a siren and just be going, I cannot believe my eyes. Yes, some of these pictures they look like they came down from heaven, but no, they're right here on earth. Now imagine how heaven is gonna look if this is how earth looks. Oh my goodness, have you seen these buildings? Somebody, are you seeing these buildings? Don't even get me started on the cathedral. Oh god, the cathedrals. But hey, I am coming to the cathedrals in just a bit. Let me just you. Yes, so I decided to tour you a bit, but before the tour of that part, let me tell you what happened. That's how there was now protest. So I was watching it live from my room window. I say, I better go. Let's not even turn into what I cannot even understand. Protest from where to where now? Excuse me, I not come to come and be involved in a protest. But I had to read more about it on a serious note. I think it had to do with financial budgets and all of that. But I do admire how it was peaceful, at least from my view. This is solely my perspective. It was peaceful, it was well organized, well coordinated, and it sort of reminded me of October 2020, the protest that happened in Nigeria, the End SARS protest. Again, this conversation is not for that, but I was looking at how the police, they protected the people, they were there maintaining law and order and all of that, but they didn't even need to be there because people were super organized. But I think it also depends on what exactly people are protesting about. Like I said, this is not going to be that conversation about October 2020, because oh my goodness, that still gives me chills. But anyways, that's how my husband was like, don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Drag my hair. Stay inside your hotel room. Do not go anywhere. I said, okay, no problem. That's how. And I look. I was like, how can I come to Lille and then not see the city? What the heck? No, we have to go out. We have to see the city. And so, no worry, husband of mine, I was very safe. After the whole thing we're very, very sure that the process had ended. We decided to just explore. Have you seen these buildings? Have you seen the cathedral? Hey, somebody. I just had to take pictures. I could not help myself. I had to, my was Hey, God, avec. Ah, no, 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 no. Man has wisdom. Man can construct. Man is good. Ah, no wonder we're made in the likeness and the image of God. Somebody say hallelujah somewhere. But anyways, my trip was a very short one. I had to come back. Of course, I had to come back again. But yeah, it was a great one. I look very sleepy in most of the pictures. Forgive me, but no, Liz is fine. France is fine. In conclusion, I think this was a really good trip overall, and I will try to do more of these voicings and just brief you a little bit about my trip and how it went. Okay, I have to stop this right now. Au revoir. Is it au revoir? No, it has to be au revoir. TY, I need you in here.